Hey, it's Alex from Motoroso.com, where you find ideas for your project builds, shop hundreds of thousands of the top products in the aftermarket, and the shipping is always free. Today we're in the studio and we're going to be taking a look at our friend Scott's 4Runner Overland build. Now this is not the most dramatic build that we ever take a look at, but we love this project because it has very functional bolt-on parts and it's very attainable for anybody looking to boost the off-road performance of their 4Runner. So let's take a look. This is Scott's 4Runner. This vehicle has done the business. This vehicle's been to and from California to New York 3 times, hitting trails all along the way, including a week in Moab where it hit everything from Chicken Corner to Golden Spike. So it's really been put through the paces. It's a 2010 Toyota 4Runner Trail Edition, which means it has the automated crawl control, which is a feature that lets you hit a button and essentially makes any rookie driver look like a pro out on the trail. Kelley Blue Book has it for $17,000 to $22,000 American ducats, making it a fantastic value for anyone looking for a highly competent off-road vehicle. Now Scott is our kind of guy. He bought this for the purpose of building an overlanding rig, and he's made some great decisions about his aftermarket modifications. One of the most obvious upgrades on this thing is this beautiful ARB full bumper, bull bar, and skid plate combination. This is the Arb Summit Bumper. Bunch of great features on this thing. ARB is one of the best manufacturers in the industry. Everybody knows it. Hugely popular in the Toyota community, especially with the Land Cruiser group. Bunch of great features built in. Integrated turn signals and fog lights, high lift jack points, integrated winch, lighting, and antenna mounting points. He's got Wilson antennas up top, a rigid 30-inch LED light bar, and with his winch, he went with the Warn M8000S, which has an 8,000 pound pulling capacity. And he's upgraded the steel cable to the Spider synthetic cable, which goes up to a 12,000 pound capacity, saves 35 pounds on the entire setup, and if the thing happens to snap, nobody's getting sawed in half. Scott's 4Runner is outfitted with the ARB/Old Man Emu 3-inch suspension lift kit, which is ARB hard parts and gas-charged nitro shocks made by Old Man Emu, a very popular brand. You can never go wrong with that. Now, that kit comes with light, medium, or heavy springs. Out front, we've got over 250 pounds of extra weight from the ARB bumper and the Warn winch. Now, that is the equivalent of my big ass standing on your front bumper jumping up and down. You need heavy springs. So he's gone with the heavy springs up front and the medium springs in the rear. This 3-inch lift kit gives you room for up to a 285 tire. Now this is what it looks like with a 275 70R17 mounted on stock wheels. Scott hasn't upgraded to the aftermarket wheels yet, but that is his next upgrade, and he can go to the 285s, which is gonna be about a 33-inch tire. Not too shabby for a simple 3-inch lift kit. Moving back, there's additional side protection added by the N-Fab rock sliders, which is a combination step and rock slider. Looks fantastic, really aggressive, and protects the underside and the side of the vehicle. Moving up top, the last thing we'll look at is the ARB aluminum roof rack cargo box. Now that is weighted to 330 pounds, which is exactly the same as its steel counterpart. It just weighs 40% less, which makes it so much easier to take on and off in between your off-road excursions. So that was our walk around of Scott's Overlanding 4Runner. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll list all the parts in the show notes. Make sure you check out Motoroso.com, where you can browse hundreds of thousands of the best products in the automotive aftermarket, sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and our shipping is always free. If you thought the video was helpful, give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel here so you can see all of our upcoming videos.